problema pa sila actually, and I would like to remind them. Si Mrs. Marcos has a conviction, 7 counts in the Sandigan Bayan, na hindi pa, I don't know, ang court ba, ang mahina, na hindi nila pinapakulong, ang PNP ba? I think the judiciary and the PNP must talk about this. Kasi if old age is the issue, then dapat lahat ng matatanda sa kulungan, pakawalan nila. So, yan, hanging issue yan. Kahit ma-resolve natin yung tungkol dito sa kay Martin Romualdez. Kasi ang question ngayon is, will President Marcos protect Martin, or he is so sincere when he was telling the ICI to proceed even against Martin? Yun ang mga questions ngayon. So, may mga may mga kailangan tayong questions. Yung awa ba natin kay Mrs. Marcos is the same awa that allowed the Supreme Court to free and really for humanitarian reasons. I dissented in that decision.